We can also do that with trowel pads, and the nice thing about the trowel pad is you can clean smaller surfaces without having a larger, more clumsy type of frame and handle. This allows you to clean desks and smaller surfaces very easily, and also has a pocket system on it and a mesh back, as you can see here. The nice thing about the trowel system is it has a black light, and the black light is designed to show bacteria. So while you're cleaning, you clean your surface and then you can check the surface to see if there's any bacteria, and bacteria will show up in a very bright pattern. Different types of microfiber is important because not all microfiber is designed for every application. For instance, we're not going to use this to clean a sink. We have a curved surface. We have the same type of microfiber with triple split technology. This is designed to clean surfaces that are not flat.